Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today's reading is about this is for Taurus zodiac sign, and the question is what is going to happen for my dear Taurus in this September 2020. I am directly going towards the reading. Okay, for my dear Taurus, your first card is Page of Swords, and this is upside down. I think that you have no desire, or you are not no more waiting for someone over here. Okay, with this card upside down, you are having a fear to that something is not happening over here, or maybe someone is not going to marry you, they are not coming towards you, or something is not happening, anything, some kind of fear, anxiety, and because are you're not you are no more waiting for that person, waiting for that situation to happen. Okay, whatever your situation is, you had wait for them quite a long time, but now you are not want to wait for them. You want to done this thing or leave it. But your in this month, your stress, your nightmares, your sleepless nights is going to end. And because you are going to make some decision over here, you are going to have a balance in your life with this card. And word the word. Okay, with this card, you are going to succeed in your situation, but you have to wait for it. You have to wait for this thing. Okay, and with this card, when you know that you are going to have that thing, you have made the decision, and you know that you surely have that thing in your with you, but you have to wait for it. Your stress is going to end over here. Now with this card, what is this? King of Wands upside down. Okay, with this card, you are not able to decide something over here. Maybe you are listening to some persons that is not good for you. They are telling you the wrong thing, the lie. They are lying to you, and you are listening to that persons. But and you have no desire to do something. Maybe this is also be the situation. And you don't want to have any responsibility on your shoulders at this moment. Maybe you are afraid of it. You think that this is not for you, or you're not able to do it. Okay, and you are fearing of something that maybe you are not able to do it. And but you have to balance your emotions, your thinkings, yourself and others, with this card. Okay, with this card. And then you are ending this blockage, or someone is ending this blockage, and you both are coming towards each other, or this situation going forward. If you want to do something, if you want to make money or start some job, now this blockage is over. And because Knight of Pentacles, there is no delay in this situation, but first you have to wait for it. Then there is suddenly there is no delay in this situation, and you are going to do it. Nine of Pentacles, but you are not happy with this situation. You are not happy to do it. You are afraid that maybe this situation is not good for you, something is bad, this person is not good for you. Six of Wands, and you also afraid to not have success in this situation. You have fear that you are not going to win in this situation. That's why you have let down your all guard and all blockages. You are missing someone over here. You are missing someone, something, some person, and you have all in your life, but you are missing the particular thing, particular person over here. You are not happy in your good times. You are manifesting something, someone here, and you are going to have a new attractive or happy beginning. You are going to start something new over here in this month. First, you are afraid to that you are not going to have a victory in this situation. You are planning about it, but someone is talking, that person is not good, and they are talking to you that this is not good for you. Maybe you are deceiving someone, cheating someone over here, and but you are unblocking someone over here because you are missing that person, and you want them to come towards you, and you want to start something new with them. Definitely retreat. You want to go with that person. Maybe this person, you both already have a relationship with each other, and now you are going with that person. You are spending the time with that person and leaving all other persons. Okay, past life relationship, you have known each other for, definitely I already have tell you that you have known each other before. Okay, angel de los muertos, transition to the spirit realm. Okay, connect to, okay, and with this transition to the spirit realm, yes, you have connect to your spirit realm, ask help from them. One is the desire, number one is the leadership number, desire to do something, going to do something. Okay, and 6 is the lovers card, lovers number, love. You are going to have a love in your life. You are going to have a successful relationship with that person. And also with this 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 is a miracle, something happening. A lot of things happen in number of 7, and this is a miracle, something that you think that this is not going to happen with these cards, but this is going to happen suddenly. You know that. Mend a broken heart fairy. Okay, yes, your heart is going to mend. You are going to have a good time with each other, enjoying each other's company, and happiness, healing, also healing. If you someone is ill or sick, you are going to heal. Okay, Nautilus princess, powerful personal growth. You are going to know your own worth, what are you going to what you are capable of, and your powerful personal growth. Yes, your growth, personal growth, your internal growth is happening during this time. You are going to know that what you have to do, a new plans for this relationship, for this person, and for something you are going to do, making home, making relationship better, something like that. And number one, having a desire to win this situation, be a leadership, being a leadership. Okay, Violet Duchess, stifled, bored and stuck. You are stifled, bored and stuck due to this situation that was happening quite a long time, and you are bored of that situation. You want to end this situation. You want to go towards that person, with that person, live with that person, spend the time with that person. But someone is here. Ghost of the pumpkin patch, count your blessing. This person is not good. They want to win you, they want to have you in their life, or maybe they want to do something to you. They want to betray you, they want to backstab you, something like that. They want to steal something from you. Okay, that person is not good. Okay, yes, this person is not good for you. This person is a cobra like, a rattlesnake like person, and they are going to betray you. They want to cheat you. They are going to cheat you. That's why you are this is a situation what you are afraid of in with this person. Definitely this person is going to cheat you with this king of wands card upside down. Yes. And this is very toxic person. This person is not one body's person. This person like to have a lot of girlfriends, boyfriends in their life, and they're definitely going to cheat you, because the cobra is they used to bite others, whether they had some danger from them or not. Okay, this is what I have for you, my dear Taurus. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then keep watching my videos. You can also watch my previous videos. You surely get some help from there. And please like, share, subscribe these readings, my videos, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.